Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey. Today's video is going to be all about the Jeffree Star mystery box. I have a lot to say about this box. A lot. So yeah, if you haven't already seen everybody else on YouTube unbox this, or even if you have and you quite fancy just seeing what I got, then just keep watching. So before we start the unboxing, I just want to take a second to shout out a friend of mine here on YouTube. Her picture should be up here somewhere, and her name is Jen, and her channel is called Beauty Riot X. She does beauty type stuff the same as me. She focuses more on, she reviews products, she does unboxing, she unboxes like Korean beauty boxes and BoxyCharm, and she'll put them head to head, and reviews and tests out loads of makeup. She's probably the most unfiltered, unapologetic, really straight to the point sort of YouTuber. I trust her opinion 100% and definitely recommend her channel. So if you would like to discover a new channel to watch, you like beauty, you like somebody who says it as it is, doesn't really pander to anybody, then definitely go and check out Jen's channel. She's amazing. I think that she's hilarious, and I will leave her link in the description box below or in a card up here. Definitely go check her out and subscribe to her channel. But without further ado, let's unbox this. Okay, so as I'm unboxing, I haven't looked at this just arrived today. So as I'm unboxing this, I suppose we'll talk about it. Okay, so I ordered this and got my order confirmation on the 30th. Is that right? Yep, the 30th of January. I think that was release date. There was none of the deluxe boxes left. It was just the premium boxes, which is what this is. It was $40. The shipping was $13.20, which I think is pretty reasonable. So it came to a total of $53.20. I'm not sure how much that is in pounds, but I'll put it on the screen for you. Then I got slammed with a VAT or VAT, which was $7.92, and a Royal Mail international handling fee of £8. Thanks, Royal Mail, you suck. So of course I'll put on the screen exactly how much this actually all came to, but I'm pretty much of the opinion that I'm done ordering from America, because it's just not worth it. It's so infuriating. You know, it's not like you're getting something cheaper. You are paying the same amount of money for it. It's just that you can't get it in this country. This is the inside here. So, like I was saying before I completely went off on there. So, I ordered it on the 30th, and then it began processing on the 5th of February. So it took 6 days before it even began processing. Now, I don't know if it's just me, or I thought that he'd said that there was going to be no shipping delays. That to me is a delay, and it's not a delay in shipping because of the weather or anything like that. That took a long time to even, you know, leave the warehouse or whatever. But anyway, that's fine. And then it arrived with me today. So in total, it's 11 days, but if you take away the weekends, it's a week. So I mean, it's not the end of the world, it's not an awfully long time, but had it been sent out the day that I ordered it, it would have been here last week, and I wouldn't be the last person on YouTube to be showing you guys this. Plus, I wouldn't have seen everybody else unbox theirs. I couldn't help it, I had to look. So I knew that I wouldn't wear a lipstick today so that I could test out the lipsticks, and I'm not wearing any highlighter because I know I'm going to get a highlighter. Oh, I just pray that I don't get Regina George. But anyway, everybody's seen these, pop socket. I do actually need a new one, so I'm kind of glad that this is in here. Okay, so we don't have Regina George, we have deep freeze. I don't know if that sounds really dodgy to me, but okay, so these are massive. Oh, no, it's fine. Wow. Oh, maybe. Oh, no. Okay, the mirror in this was actually hanging out, but I've pushed it back and it seems to have. I'm just glad that that didn't actually fall and hit the powder, because I actually probably would have smashed it. But okay, this is the highlighter. Wow, that is blue. Oh, okay, that's an interesting texture. I've never tried his highlighters before. I do have some of his other products. Okay, that's going to make a really nice eyeshadow. I really like that. Because I said I didn't have any highlight on, that was for this moment now. this moment here, yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna suit blue highlighter. Deep breaths. Okay, that's a bit blue for me. See, I said in one of my previous videos that I was over colored highlighter because it doesn't even look like a highlight. It just, I mean, I don't know what it looks like on camera, but in person it just looks like a blue streak on my face. But this will become a really nice eyeshadow because that's stunning. It's cool, but I do wish that he'd just put in shades that people could actually wear. I mean, he does have like a lot of colourful shades, but he's got loads of wearable shades as well, as far as I'm aware. So I don't understand why he couldn't have put those in. But then it has become apparent that it is just to try and get rid of a lot of stock. You know, that is kind of the general consensus. So we've got three Velour liquid lipsticks and a lip ammunition, and I'm gonna do the lip ammunition first because these look so cute. So this one is in Starfish, and that is the packaging there. You've probably seen it a million times. These are cute, I will say. I don't know, this might actually make me buy more, but that's the colour there. It smells a little bit like MAC, but not as strong. That is the shade there. I don't know why I did it there, but that's the shade there. I decided I wasn't going to wear any lipstick, so I could actually swatch these, so let's just go ahead and do it. Okay, excuse my application, but this is Candy Yum Yum. It's very, very, very like Candy Yum Yum. Not quite as matte, but it's a nice enough colour. It's not something that I really wear that often. Normally I tone it down with a lip liner underneath, so maybe I'll be able to do that with this one, but yeah, it's not too bad. So, the next one in here is Watermelon Soda, and I don't have a lot of Jeffree Star products. I have this. It's so annoying. I was like, I think with all the pairings of all the boxes, this one was the only one that had something in it that I already owned. So, where are you? This is my one here, and I'll swatch it for you. That is it there. I've had mine for a while. This one, it's funny actually, this one has got the pink lid. You must have had this in a special collection and then made it permanent or something, but I'm obviously not gonna use that because I've still got this one and I barely use it anyway. So this I'm gonna save and I'm gonna do a giveaway at some point. I was thinking about maybe doing a giveaway at 1,500 subscribers or something like that, so this will be in there anyway. Okay, so Starfish stains. Look at that! You can have a lip stain as well. Watermelon Soda does smell like watermelons. But that's it there. Excuse the application, I just threw it on. It's a really nice colour, but again, it's very pink for me, so maybe in the summertime, yeah, maybe tone down with something else on top or something like that, but that is Watermelon Soda. It is a beautiful colour, but like I say, it's just not something that I wear all the time. So the next one we have is Triggered. This is from the Alien collection, and I know that the packaging in this is stunning. So that is it there. It's got like all this sort of sparkles and that all on the tube. So that's Triggered there. It's like a really, really deep plum shade. What a crappy application. That's Triggered on the lips. I'm getting more and more into these colours, so I actually think that I'm going to get some use out of this. It is a really pretty shade. It's a really shitty application, I'm sorry, but it's a really, really beautiful shade. You can't really see it in the tube. All you can see in the tube is the sparkles, but that's a really pretty shade. I think it would do for a really grungy look, so yeah, I like that. And this one I am most happy about, most excited about. This is Can't Relate. This one I actually did want, but I didn't want this box because I knew it had Watermelon Soda in it. This is a nude, and it's the same collection again, which is pretty cool because it is, you know, his most recent collection. And there is the swatch there. Really nice, pretty nude colour. I just got Celebrity Skin, which is actually a little bit more purpley toned than that, so I'm actually really, really happy about this one because I really wanted another nude lipstick, like a proper true nude. Okay, this doesn't really have a true representation of this colour or not. Not completely, because my lips are so stained underneath. They're sort of half purple, half pink. So this is kind of like the best swatch that I can do at the minute. But as you can see, it just pulls a little bit more purple just now. This is probably my favourite item in the whole thing. Now, why isn't there a red? Correct me if I'm wrong, I've seen pretty much every variation of this box. It's Valentine's Day. Why have we got two pinks, like a summery pink and a baby pink? Why have we got a blue highlighter? How is this Valentine's Day? You know, it's just, that's what kind of strikes me. Then obviously people are saying that it is just to get rid of product. If you're getting a mystery box, it's usually because you want value for money. You want more products for less money. Usually because you can't afford to buy lots of products from the brand, or you just want to get more for your money. So what always gets me about these sort of mystery boxes is you always seem to be getting something that somebody else doesn't want. So the colourful highlighters that maybe don't sell as well as his more kind of normal toned ones. Then you'll get like the lipsticks that don't sell as well as like Celebrity Skin and Mannequin and things like that. You know, like not even so much the nudes, but just more the, you know, like Red Rum and stuff like that. Red Rum will sell lots. So he's not going to throw Red Rum in here, even though thankfully I already have it. But I wish that they would just come out and say that. Say, right, okay, we've got, you know, get rid of some back stock. This is what we're going to do. You can get it at a discounted price. And I think that that was a major gripe in the last mystery box, because people were like, what am I going to do with a bright pink highlighter and stuff like that. And when he said that he'd listened and that there was going to be different stuff in the box, I think a lot of people believed him, and that's the only reason that I ordered that, and the fact that the shipping was actually a reasonable price. So that I give them total props for. So that's my only gripe with it. I think other than that, it's a fantastic thing. I think that if they could just do it and put some of the more popular shades in, I mean, it doesn't have to be the most popular shades. It could just be even all different ones, like give everybody different stuff. And then you're not selling loads and loads and loads of your most popular items. I don't know. It's not my company. I don't have a cosmetics company. Obviously, people are gonna buy them. It's an amazing marketing technique because people are gonna buy his stuff no matter what. If it has his name on it, like his straws that are just coming out, the people are gonna buy it. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Will I be buying if he does another mystery box? Definitely not. Which is a shame because he might end up like doing a really good one next time. But anyway, I won't be buying again purely because I don't want to get stuff that's just going to sit on my shelf. So I think I've rambled on enough. I think it's really cool, but I think just be careful. Don't jump on the bandwagon next time if he comes out with another one thinking that you're going to get like 4 liquid lipsticks, you know, because technically, I mean, I'm happy with that, because I'm getting into the more darker lipsticks. But essentially what I got out of this box was these two. And I'm pretty sure that I can buy these two for £16 each. And both of these would have cost me £32. So, and I could have actually got shades that I really wanted. So, was it really worth the money? I don't think so. Not for me anyway. This blue highlighter is making me look sick. And the bullet is a little bit too pink for me, and obviously I already have watermelon soda. So I'll be giving that away, and I may be giving this to a friend because obviously I've swatched it, and we'll see with deep freeze. I don't know yet, but I do love the formula of that, so I may in the future get some of his actual Skin Frosts, that shades that I would use. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Have you got one of these mystery boxes? Would you get one if he released any more in the future? Let me know in the comment section below. But that is it for this video. So I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!